Hello guys, today we will talk about 2002 Germany 10 euro cent coin value price and details. This video is very informative, so please don't skip this and watch the end video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The 2002 German 10 euro cent coin is a standard circulation coin featuring the Brandenburg Gate on the national side, made of Nordic gold, and carries a mint mark A, D, F, G, or J, indicating where it was struck. While most are common, specific mint marks or production errors, like the rare J mint mark or misstrikes, make some varieties highly sought after by collectors, symbolizing Germany's unity after euro introduction. Denomination: 10 euro cents, 10 cents. Composition: Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin. National side: obverse. At center, the obverse of the coin shows a view of the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin, an 18th century neoclassical monument, built on the orders of Prussian King Frederick William II after the temporary restoration of order during the Batavian Revolution. One of the best-known landmarks of Germany, it was built on the site of a former city gate that marked the start of the road from Berlin to the town of Brandenburg and Der Havel, which used to be the capital of the Margraviate of Brandenburg. Throughout its existence, the Brandenburg Gate was often a site for major historical events and is today considered not only as a symbol of the tumultuous history of Europe and Germany, but also of European unity and peace. Atop the gate is a sculpture by Johann Gottfried, shadow of a quadriga, a chariot, drawn by 4 horses, driven by Victoria, the Roman goddess of victory. Below, in the inner circle, the date of issue, 2002, beneath which a small letter represents the mint mark of the issuing mint. In the outer ring, the 12 stars of the European Union, representing the 12 original member states. Common side: reverse. A reverse of the coin shows on the left a representation of a map of Europe, with each European Union member country shown separately. Behind the map, 6 vertical lines connect the 12 stars of Europe, 6 around above left, and 6 around below left. On the right, a large numeral value, 10, below which on 2 lines the denomination euro cent. The designer's monogram LL, for Luke Lewix, is below right. Reverse inscription: 10 euro cent. Edge-milled edge inscription: none. Mint marks, struck at German mints, indicated by letters like A, Berlin, D, Munich, F, Stuttgart, G, Karlsruhe, or J, Hamburg. Standard coins. Most 2002 German 10 cent coins are common and have minimal value beyond face value, as they were mass-produced when the euro launched. The 10 euro cents coin, 10 cents, has a value of 1/10 of a euro and is composed of an alloy called Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. Like all other common circulation coins, from 1 cent to 2 euros. The denomination is issued by the separate countries in the Eurozone and is legal tender in all of them, irrespective of which country has issued it. The denomination was introduced in 2002, when Germany retired the German mark currency and introduced the euro. The coins have a common reverse, designed by Luke Lewix in 1999, which showed a map of the European Union. It was changed in 2007 to reflect the enlargement of the Union, and later coins show all of Western Europe. Each country has its own national obverse. The German obverse was designed by Reinhard Heinsdorf. German 10 euro cents feature the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin as a symbol of the reunification of Germany and Europe. The year and mint mark are shown at the bottom. Germany has 5 mints striking circulation coins, which have an arrangement whereby each mint strikes a specific proportion of the circulation coins every year. Mint and mint mark and total mintage. SMBW, Stuttgart letter, F839,035,839.0 million. Hamburg mint letter, J758,875,758.9 million. Bavarian Central Mint, Munich letter, D 722,185,722.2 million. Berlin mint letter. A 696,480,696.5 million. SMBW. Karlsruhe letter. G 494,535,494.5 million. The 2002 German 10 euro cent coin is a standard circulation coin with a nominal value of just 10 cents. Its value in Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh is primarily based on currency exchange rates, though a small numismatic value may exist for collectors. Value in local currencies. The approximate exchange value of a 10 cents coin as of today is: Pakistan, approximately 32.76 PKR. India, approximately 8.92 Indian rupees. Bangladesh, approximately 14.24 BDT. For most 2002 German 10 euro cent coins in general circulation condition, the value is close to its face value. Millions were minted, so they are not inherently rare. However, the value can be higher for collectors if the coin is in uncirculated, mint condition or has a minting error. Standard coin. A circulated coin typically sells for just over face value in collector markets. For example, around 314 PKR on some online listings. Minting errors are rare mints. Coins with specific mint marks, like G or J, or unique errors can be sought after by numismatists and listed for significantly more on online marketplaces, sometimes ranging from a few hundred to several thousand PKR or INR, depending on the specific anomaly and buyer interest. You can check online marketplaces like eBay or numismatic sites like Numista for more specific information on rare variations and their current market prices. If you have a 2002 German 10-cent coin, check the small letter near the bottom for the mint mark. It might be a rare find, but otherwise, it's a standard piece from the first year of euro circulation.